What's up, YouTube? This is JP Quick Brick. I'm over here at my customer's residence, and I have not eaten all day, so had to cook up some steaks. And I've been taking tips from Guga Foods, that guy that cooks all the good meat, and he said you got to let them sit for 7 minutes. So just gonna sit here drooling, waiting. But anyways, this is customers getting their home worked on, and then the little EV vehicle is right here. So I've done stuffed everything in there, all the tools and materials from last night. I was working on this thing till a little late, but this is what we got here. So just going through, cleaning everything up, soldering connections, and oh yeah, got the soldering iron there, all the this, that, and the other. But the whole point is to make it look clean, because clean is reliable, and that's a rat's nest. So gotta do it right.